Today I want to share this topic called Do not let your past define your future. Yes, a lot of us, we have past experiences in a lot of things. But a lot of time, we did not learn from the experience. What we do is, we avoid the similar experience in the past. Then what happened? We realize that it become a hurdle to whatever we want to do. Like take for example, maybe last time I hired the wrong employee. So I tell myself, moving forward, I don't want to hire any employee. So is this right or wrong? As a business owner, we have to grow our business means we have to grow our business no matter how bad our past experience is. Take for example, if today a guy being cheated by a woman, then he tell himself, I don't want to marry for the rest of the life. Correct or wrong? To me, it's about if I have a past, I make sure that my future make use of the past experience and not let the past go and define my future. I tell you a story. There is this monk. He was crossing the bridge. Then he see an old lady. Then the old lady cannot walk properly. So what he do? He offer to carry the old lady on his back across the bridge. Okay, so he carry the old lady. Then he cross the bridge. The moment he reached the end of the bridge, he put the old lady down. Then the old lady say, "Thank you." Then this moment of time, there's a guy nearby. He saw the monk carrying the old lady across the bridge the whole journey. So he asked the monk, "Hey, monk, how come you are a monk you still go and carry a lady? You know monk and lady cannot one eh?" And then the monk say, "I already put down the old lady. Why haven't you put down the old lady from your mind?" This story tells you whatever bad experiences, bad thoughts that you have from the past, if it's time to put down, put down. Don't carry the load. It's very, very heavy one. You carry load across your life, across your business journey, really, really very tired one. Why do we need to be so tired? End of the day, we want to focus on our goal only. Let me give you another example. Do you know what is flea? Flea are, can I say insect or can I say pest? It doesn't matter. Where does it appear? On beds, on animals like dogs, or human who never bathe for many, many days. Not me, other people. Okay? So talking about this, flea, they are known to be able to jump very high. Then there is this scientist, he want to test on the flea. So what he do? He put a flea inside a test tube. Then after that, what happened? He closed the test tube. Then when the flea jump, suppose the flea can jump very high, but then what happened? Because the test tube is closed by a cork, so the flea every time jump, hit the cork. And the flea keep on hitting the cork. So one day later, what happened? The scientists took away the cork. By right, you know, flea can jump very high one. Flea definitely can jump out of the test tube easily one. Then you realize that the flea start to not jump very high already. The flea still jumping inside the test tube. Why? Because the flea scared of pain. Even the cork no longer there, he's still scared. Then the scientists do another action. He bring the test tube with the flea, Now it's without the cork already, He put a Bunsen burner, He go and burn the test tube. So when he burn the test tube, what happened? The flea straight away jump out of the test tube. What does this story tell you? If human, we are the flea, a lot of time our potential can go very far. But then what happened? We face rejection, we face negative experience, then we scared. We don't dare to show our potential. And sometimes we even doubt our own potential. That's why even though I can jump very high, I choose to jump at my comfortable pace. It's only until one fine day I have the fire, I have the passion, or something force me very hard, that I show my true potential. But then, you must know that the fire don't always come. No scientist will put the fire on you. You have to put the fire on yourself. So, always remember, never let your past define your future. If you like this video, you can like, share and comment. I see you at the next video.